Okay, today our chapter is motion. As we can see, the motion change in position of an object with respect to a fixed position with time. This is normally called motion. Okay. Normally motion are two types: uniform motion and second one is non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, what will happen in uniform motion? The object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. That is what? Car traveling 2 km in 2 minutes and again 2 km in next 2 minutes and so on. If an object cover equal distance in equal interval of time, this is normally called uniform motion. Similarly, if an object cover unequal distance in unequal interval of time, or you can say the object cover unequal distance in unequal interval of time, or you can say the object cover equal distance in unequal interval of time. These all are example of non-uniform motion. For example, a car moving in crowded street. Sometimes what will happen? Crowd, car get accelerated and car get again retarded, or its velocity increases, its velocity decreases, and so that this is a normally non-uniform motion. Okay, so on the basis of speed, on the basis of its type of different motion, uniform motion we have and non-uniform motion we have. Now, the motion will be in straight line or motion will be in circular motion. Motion along the straight line, the actual path traveled by the body is its distance. It is a definition of distance. Actual path covered by or traveled by a body is its distance. It is a scalar quantity in vector form. The shortest straight distance between initial and final point is a vector quantity. This is called displacement. Okay, this is not mentioned here, but this is called displacement. The shortest distance between the initial and final position of the body is called displacement. This is a vector quantity. Motion may be in circular path. When moving in a circular path with uniform speed, it is said to be uniform circular motion. Direction changes continuously. V equal to 2 pi r by t. Okay, in this case we continuously direction changes and the direction is always tangential to the tangent to the movement of particle. Okay, now the speed, distance traveled by the object in unit time is called speed. It is a scalar quantity. Usually the object in non-uniform motion, therefore calculate average speed. Average speed equal to total distance upon total time taken. Its unit is meter per second. Okay. Next one is velocity. Speed of an object moving in different direction. Vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Can be uniform or variable. Uniform हो सकता है, variable हो सकता है. When a speed is variable, expressed as average velocity, and therefore average velocity will be total distance, or especially we can say displacement travel per unit time. Okay, it's a displacement instead of distance. It's also unit is meter per second. Acceleration, what is acceleration? Rate of change of velocity with time is called acceleration. It's a vector quantity. A equal to v minus u by t. It's again unit is meter per second square. This acceleration may be two types: uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Velocity of an object increase or decrease by equal amount in equal interval of time. This is called uniform acceleration. Velocity of an object increases or decreases by equal interval of time, equal amount of in equal amounts in equal interval of time. This is uniform. And non-uniform, velocity on an object increases or decreases by unequal amount in equal interval of time. This is non-uniform motion. Generally we have non-uniform motion in our day-to-day life. Okay, the graphical representation, pictorial representative or geometrical representative between two quantities on two axes: distance time graph, velocity time graph. Okay, normally we have this two type of graph: time along x-axis and distance along y-axis. Speed The slope of graph will give you the speed. Uniform motion slope will be straight line. Non-uniform motion it will be the curve. Stationary body slope is straight line parallel to a time axis. This is normal assumption. Okay, 3 4 different types of graph we have in this distance time graph. Velocity time graph. Time is on x-axis, velocity on y-axis. X slope will give you the acceleration, distance, displacement, area of the curved surface. Uniform acceleration, motion, slope, straight line, curve if it is non-uniform. Equation of motion. There are three equations of motion. Velocity time v equal to u plus at. Velocity time relation s equal to ut plus half at square. And position velocity relation v square equal to u square plus 2s. These are the three most important equation of motion. Okay. Thank you.